Dak jing so khia lor ka jing bam yo jaka na banta bante ye ki south le ki iklavia model residential school kabla baiting ka dak sorkar kme umentri sorkar katanat puliputhi urakam sangma ulaong bahakini ki khniat sngi an salom ye ka jing elang bat ki deputy commissioner jong barok ki district bat kum joru bat ki trai jaka na ka banta ban yo panya chakmat bante ye ki te school Habe kran bekilat pathai kubor umentri bari pej katanat puliputhi urakam e sangma ulaong baka sorkar ka de ban shim me ka jingit khlieh na ka banta ban ai kam sorkar ya ki tu ki trai jaka ki bakloi ban no snyang ya ka jaka klem jing siu na ka banta ban te ye ki te ki iklavia model residential school ki bala mang ka jing lot hado arpusa kulor ka wai ka school
No, it is the in Isgar Hills. I think the 2 or 4 has been almost is completion stage. Yeah, I don't have data with me right now. The information about 24 crores each per school for each block. Look, it is already delayed of last 4-5 years. So we are already delayed. But this year it's my commitment. We will see the works done on EMRS, and we are working aggressively. I'll be having again one review meeting next week with all the Manico and the Webco's team and our department. I think that will be we'll see the final improvement. Yes, it is some of the Meghalaya regional school has been tender plotted and recently, and they are on pipeline. But we have to see the real picture when the things happened. About 40 for almost all the blocks of the state. No, it's in 1819. If I'm not wrong, during 1819 financial year. No, it is the in Isgar Hills. I think the 2 or 4 has been almost is completion stage. Yeah, I don't have data with me right now. The information.
Halor ka Meghalaya education policy nakalyang jagatanat puliputhi shan kan tapan thamai byang ka policy nakabanta ban panbha shu ya ka puliputhi hakajalla
We have not decided the detail what plans to be there, but I think since we have all our Meghalaya education policy, we have already, and also we have the national education policy of the central government of India. So I think the Meghalaya chapter national education policy with adding the relevant which is suited for Meghalaya state environment. I think that new redraft of Meghalaya policy is online. Yes, because there are many chapter, there are many portions which very much needs to be on practice of our state. So we're talking about the policy, right? So if we implement the entire policy of the NEP 2020, so there are certain sections, certain portions with it beyond our limit. So Meghalaya has certain limit on terms of infrastructure, on terms of in all sector. I think the portion that will suit for our environment of our state. So we are planning to redraft amend our Meghalaya education policy. We can call it Meghalaya chapter. So I think this was what we are planning. Now I wasn't able to tell all this detail, but we are just plan in mind that I think the Meghalaya chapter has to be coming because all the what happened that contains in the NEP 2020. So I think as a state government, it may be beyond our ability to implement every points that have been incorporated in the NEP 2020. Definitely this is look, if you go we talk about the history. If we talk about the history, we should not always forget about our own state, our patriot, our peoples, our culture, right? This is only that we have to display to show to the world that we have this asset, this are our asset, and we should not forget history of our history. So, and yes, because the world has been updated, there will be, if you go into the science, what happened research discovered yesterday, it's no longer practical today. right? There are many instruments in the science. There are many devices which we should not, we are not, we don't use anymore. So there may be theory which does not work as of today. There are many scientists research. There are many theory of the scientists, great scientists, many across the globe for last many years. So I think as of today, look, the world has changed in such a way. The research, what was yesterday, it's no more today. This is what our world is today. Therefore, I think the updated, what do you call, the all the books. I mean, as of today. So what is today, it may not be tomorrow. So this is what the world it is as today.